Imagine waking up one morning and seeing Andrew Tate being escorted out of his Romanian mansion by armed police while the world screams, "What just happened?" Was Andrew Tate running a human trafficking empire, or did he just end up in the world's loudest legal storm? The prosecution describes a system where women were promised romance, wealth, relationships, and a glamorous life. This tactic is known as the lover boy method. Tate completely denies this. He calls the allegations absurd and manufactured by haters. As of 2025, Andrew Tate has not been convicted. One thing is certain, this is one of the most complicated influencer-related legal sagas the world has ever seen.